Good morning students. Now next we are going to do next exercise C on page number 3. Now open your book, open page number 3, the same chapter, that is alphabetical order. Page number 3, exercise is C. Now see students, here is a list of students from grade 3 who are going for a picnic. Now you have to rewrite the list in alphabetical order. Few names are given here. You have to arrange all these words in alphabetical order. Now let's start. First is, let's read the words first. Kaveri, next is Alice, then Rohan, then Ritu, then Pooja, then Peter, Anuj, Rick, Amit Rana, Amit Sharma, Anoop, Akshay, Jyoti, Sharon, Chanakya, Arvind, Rohit, Sai, Pooja and Sara. Now let's arrange these words in alphabetical order. Students, you have to do this exercise in your English fair notebook, which will be of 4 lines, where you are already doing your all reader book work. In the same book you will write down the heading of chapter 1, the alphabetical order, and you will do this exercise. Now how you will do? First you will write down all these words which are given in your notebook, and then after that you will put the heading alphabetical order and you will write down the words like this. So first word which will come is on number 12, which begins from, you have to see that the words which begin with A. So there are many words which begin with A. So first is on number 12, Akshay. So students, write down like this in your fair notebook. First you will write down the words which are given in the box, and then you will write down these words alphabetically. So first word which will come is Akshay. Second word is on number 2, that is Alice. In this way you have to do this exercise in notebook. Now next word alphabetically which comes is Amit Rana. Amit Rana. Next which comes is Amit Sharma. Now white has come first and it has on next place. See, first name is same, Amit and Amit, and next word begins with here R and here S. So what comes first, R or S? First comes R. So first will come Amit Rana and the next word will come Amit Sharma. Next Anoop. Next Anuj. Next Arvind. Next is, after 16 number, the next word is, with B letter there is no word, so we will begin with C. So with C there is Chanakya on 15th number. Here it is number 8, Chanakya. Next, number 13, Jyoti. Next, after J, K, Kaveri. Next, number 6, it is Peter. Then next word It is on number 5, that is with P, one more word, puja. Next, again one more puja, this is with U alphabet. So with O will come first, with U will come next, puja. Then is number 8, Rik. Next with number 4, Ritu. Next number 3, 16 number, Rohan. Then next 17 number, Rohit. Then next 18 number, it is Sai. Then next 19 number, it is Sara. Next last word is Sharon. So students, these are the words which are arranged in alphabetical order, and you have to note down all these words in your notebook. First you will copy down the words from the book itself, and then you will write down these words in your notebook. So you can pause your video here and you can complete your work. Now let's do next exercise number D. Now this exercise is arrange these groups of words. Again you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Now I am going to rub it. You can pause your video and you will find all these words there. Complete your work. This work you have to do in your English notebook, because there is not enough space in your book to complete the work. Next children, next exercise is arrange these groups of words in alphabetical order. It is D number. Now how will you do this? First you will write down this also exercise you will do in your notebook. So first write the heading, arrange these groups of words in alphabetical order. Now, first you will write down this question, and then number 1 you will write down the words from the book. So first word is not, N-O-T, not. Second word is N-U-T, nut. Third word is N-E-T, net. Next is N-I-L, nil. Now you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So you will write down the answer. So what will come first? See here, first letter is same, N, 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 N. Next is O, U, E, I. So which letter comes first? Among these O, U, E, I, first comes E. So we will write first net. Then what comes next? Next comes I. So what will come next? Nil. And then what comes next? O or U? For next comes O. So next will be not. And then last will be nut. So this is the way you will arrange these words in the alphabetical order. So first one I have done for you. Now second one. Able. I am writing the words. You will also write down in the same way. Able. Apple. Ache and aches. Ache and aches. Now you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So what will come first? Now see students, here all the words begin with same letter A. Now you will see the second word. You will look to the second word. So it is B, it is P, it is C, it is X. So what will come first? I hope you all will be able to do this. First will be A-B-L-E, able. So write down in answer, first word A-B-L-E, able. After B, what comes? C. So next you will write down A. A-C-H-E, egg. And then you will write down apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. And then next word comes eggs. A-X-E, eggs. So students, do it these two words like this in your notebook. Now next word number 3 is hot, had, hut, hit. Now I am going to rub this. Do it children. Third one, the words are, first is hot. H-O-T, hot. Next is hat. H-A-T, hat. Next is hit. H-I-T, hit. Next is hut. H-U-T, hut. So now arrange these in alphabetical order. So first will come H. See, first H is same in all the words, first letter. So we will see the second letter. So here second letter A. So in answer, first word will be had. And then what will be the next? Hit. Next will be hit. Then what will be next? Hot. H-O-T, hot. And then next will be hut. Next will be hut. So one more I will do for you. Other words you will do on your own in the same manner. So first is label. Next is lost. L-O-S-T, lost. Next is lime. Next is lemon. So now you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So first is with A, the word on second place where A is there. So first will be label. Then next, second word will be with E, lemon. And then the next word will be lime. And next will be lost. So students, 4 I have done for you. Total number are 12. Rest you will do on your own, and this will be your homework for today. You will write down all these words like this. First the heading of the question, and then the words which are given in the book, and then you will solve them and you will write down the answer. So 4 we have done, total are 12. All these you will do on your own, and if anybody has any problem you can ask me. So do this work in your notebook, click the picture and send it on your class WhatsApp group. This will be your homework for today. Thank you class. Thank you and have a good day.